Yeah, hello, good morning. So, in the Arduino workshop, we had optional tasks. The first one was to integrate five different color LEDs and write a program so that one of them would be on and other will be off in this sequence with this much time allocated. So, the circuit, this is the circuit, and here we have the code written for it. I wrote the code, and here you see one would be on and the others would be off. And let's start the simulation. The red was on for 0 seconds. It was for 2, 3, and for 4, for 6. Then this will be for 7 seconds, 8 seconds. This one will be for 9 seconds, and this one would be for the 10 seconds. This one would be for the 10 seconds. This one is the 9 seconds. This program is basically we can program lighting in the home for festive occasions or on the staircase. We can use a pressure sensor and something whenever you step on it, it will, or you can just apply if you have 4 5 stairs, it will go continuously keep on going like that. Thank you.